From the dashboard, click on Leave. Next, click on Manage Leave. Choose any lead from the list by clicking on it. Inside the lead profile, click on the Document tab. Now, click on the Add icon to upload a new document. Select the type of document you'd like to upload. Choose your file and click Save. Once uploaded, you'll see the document listed here. Select Video and click Save. Select Document and click Save. Select Image and click Save. Image uploaded. Select Audio and click Save.
Audio uploaded.
Your files are now updated successfully. That's how you manage documents in the system.